Okay, first of all, you're going to take a square sheet of paper. You can cut about 1.5 inches off of the paper, or just fold it into a triangle and cut the excess off like this. You're going to crease it in half once. Then you're going to take it and crease the other corners in half. Then you're going to flip it over. You're going to fold it from edge to edge like this. Then you're going to flip it back over and pop it out like that. Okay? Then you're going to take it, you're going to mash it down like that. Then you're going to fold both sides up like so. That. Then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. You get kind of a diamond shaped thing. Then you're going to take these flaps, you're going to fold the corners into the center. Same thing on the other side. Make it something like that. Then you're going to take these flaps, fold them outward over the last fold. Same thing on the other side. Then you're going to fold those flaps into the middle. Crease each time, just like so. Then you end up with that. Then you're going to take the last fold and fold it into the ones that are folded towards the center, or tuck it into the ones that are folded towards the center. End up with that, and if you open it like this, you can see you have a hole on this end. It's not very big, so you can take some scissors and cut very little off of the end of the hole. See, it's a little bit bigger now. Now you take it and you blow into it like this. Now you have a cube. Then you take a lighter fully filled with fuel, and you want to fill your cube up with fuel for about 30 seconds, or about however long it takes you to fill it up, or however long you want to fill it up. Then you want to take a match, light up, and there you go, a paper jet engine. And there you go, a paper jet engine.